to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling digital fashion illustrations on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you decide if this is really a product that is worth our time or not, if it's really a winning product or not. And also this spying tool is going to help you in the future when you are looking for new products to work on, and also when you are spying on shops to see what are, or to find out the product that are making them the most amount of money, the products that are not making them money at all, and all of these information. Then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create products like this for your own without starting from scratch and without also paying anyone to create the products for you. So let's start by typing the name of the product, digital fashion illustrations, then click on search and give it a few seconds to load. Then you will be able to see a lot of examples of this product. So here, let's just wait for it to load. Those first ones here are the ones that are sponsored by their sellers. As you can see, ad by Etsy seller, another ad by Etsy seller. So most of the ones here are sponsored, and the ones that we see right now are not the sponsored ones. These are the ones that are ranking in the top of the search, which means these ones are getting the most sales in this niche. So here we have this one here, which is popular, but it's a rolled flower SVG. That's not what we are looking for. And this one here, we have pink fashion 100 watercolor clip arts. Here we have watercolor fashion girls clip art, black fashion, same thing with this one, same thing here. Let's choose this one here in the top. So let's choose this one here. And guys, while we wait for it to load, I'm going to talk a little about the differences between physical products and digital products, and why I like digital products more than the other ones. So guys, when it comes to physical products, you will have to go through a lot of problems daily, starting with shipping, delivering, stocking the product, packaging the product, taking care or dealing with returns or refunds. And also you will have to always pay attention to your product to not run out of stock. And if you run out of stock, you will always look for a place to get the product from. And these are problems that you will face always and daily in that business. But when it comes to digital products, the only hard work you will do is creating the product in the first place, then creating your shop, listing the product in your shop, and then it's done. You won't have ever to worry about the product. Whenever someone buys the product, they will get the product immediately, whether they download it from Etsy directly or they get it from in their email, and you will get your money directly to your bank account. And there are no refunds, no returns, no shipping, nothing like that on digital products. So that's why, guys, I like digital products, or I prefer digital products more than the other ones. So here, enough talking about the differences between these two products. Let's move on to the spying tool, which is Everbee. It's the spying tool that is going to give us the last decision whether we are going to work on this product or not. So here, let's sign up for free and let's give it a few seconds to load. Let's wait for it to complete loading. Here it's still loading. Then let's go to the shop analyzer, but it's still loading. Here, let's go to the shop analyzer and let's get the name of the shop here, Cosmic Meta. copy the name, and let's go back to the shop analyzer. Type the name in the search and click on search, and here with this tool we will be able to see every data about this shop. When did this shop started, how their total sales of this shop, their the total of the products that they have on this shop, and every detail about their product as well. So here this shop has a total listings of 512 products, and if you go way to the right, you will find here the total shop sales, more than 16,000 sales. And here you will have the shop's age. It's a year and 1 month, as you can see, 13 months. So here let's look for this product, watercolor fashion girls, watercolor Christmas, travel, spring, kawaii winter, brain construction, Easter, Valentine's, cute girls. We need fashion girls. Here let's scroll down, cute girls, kawaii books, Christmas, puppies. We need the fashion girls. All it's so the fact that this product is far down the other products means that it's not a winning product, because the winning products you will always find them in the top of the shop, because those are the products that are making them the most amount of money. So for example, this one here, watercolor happy Halloween, let's click on it to see the insights. Here let's wait for the insights to load. 11 months, it was listed 11 months ago, and here these are the reviews per month, and based on the reviews we can guess that they are making around 24 sales per month using this product. And here they have made around 270 280 around 280 sales in total with this product only. And here if you want to create a product like that to list on your Etsy store, you can just copy the name here, watercolor happy Halloween clip art. So let's copy the name here, let's copy the name, and then go straight away to canva.com. It's the platform where we can find templates for products like this ready to be downloaded, and we will download them, make some changes to these templates, then you will have your own product ready to be listed on Etsy to sell to the clients. So here let's just wait for the templates to load to show you some examples. So here these are some examples of those products that you can sell on Etsy. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.